very cheerful and bright morning to one and all present out here. We, the students of Class 8S, welcome you to a journey into the heart of Indian democracy, a place where voices heard, laws are made, and our country's future is shaped.
Yes, we are talking about our legislature, one of the three pillars of our government, along with the executive and the judiciary. It's the lawmaking body of our country. It's where ideas become bills and bills become laws that govern us all. Our Indian Parliament consists of two houses, the Lok Sabha, whose members are elected by the state legislatures, the Rajya Sabha, whose members are elected by the citizens.
Together, these houses discuss national issues, pass laws, and hold the government accountable. The President of India is also the part of the Parliament and gives the final approval to the laws passed.
The legislature plays a vital role in ensuring that every citizen's voice is represented. It transforms the concerns of public into policies and decisions. Debates, decision-making and question hours make the spirit alive of the democracy in the parliament.
So, let's take a step beyond textbooks into real world of lawmaking. Let's witness how ideas turn into laws and how leaders become the voice of people. Let's explore the house where India's tomorrow is being shaped, our legislature.
Let's begin this beautiful morning with a moment of peace and gratitude. I request everyone to stand up and join their hands, close their eyes for the morning prayer.
Where the mind is without fear, and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where world has not been broken up into fragments, by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where mind is led forward by thee, into that ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Thank you.
A thought of the day refreshes your mind. I invite Divyanshu to share thought of the day.
Legislatures are the architect of society. They draw lines within which justice and order are built. Thank you.
It's time to explore the heart of our democratic system, the legislature, which includes Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and the House India convert public opinion to national law.
The Indian government has three organs, legislature, executive and judiciary. Today, we will discuss about our legislature. The legislature is the part of the government that makes laws. It creates rules to ensure justice and fairness. It lays the foundation for peace, structure and discipline of the nation. A strong legislature is necessary for a stable and well-governed society. It upholds the values enshrined in the constitution and promotes unity. It's not just a law-making body, but a very symbol of people's will. It reflects the hopes and aspirations for a diverse population.
India's parliament consists of two houses, Lok Sabha House of People and Rajya Sabha Council of States. Lok Sabha members are directly elected by the people while Rajya Sabha members are elected by the state legislative assemblies. These two houses form the backbone of our democracy. They represent different voices and ensure a balanced approach towards lawmaking. Both the houses have an equal role in shaping our country's future. Together they pass laws, discuss policies and debate the issues that shape the destiny of the nation.
Members of Parliament represent us. Lok Sabha MPs speak for the local people and pass the laws that affect the entire nation. There are 545 seats in Lok Sabha. Each MP represents over 10 lakh citizens. MPs visit the elected district, listen to the public issues, bring those problems to national attention. Through this role, they are spending effective and people-friendly policies.
The Rajya Sabha plays a key role in reviewing and refining the laws passed by the Lok Sabha. It gives the state a platform in national matters like the law revising chamber. It ensures that the laws are accurate and inclusive. It consists of experts and senior leaders who offer a deeper insight. This helps creating a thoughtful, well-debated legislation. It can also initiate bills, except money bills. The Rajya Sabha ensures that smaller states and minority views are not ignored.
India's parliament meets at least 3 times a year, the budget session, monsoon session and winter session. These sessions are essential for debating national issues and passing legislation. Each session has a specific purpose and schedule. It ensures that the work of governments continues systematically. During these sessions, leaders express the people's concerns. These meetings strengthen the foundation of participatory governments. The sessions are also a time when government work is questioned, reviewed and improved.
Now let's learn what is a bill and how it becomes a law. Bill is a proposed law either introduced in House of Parliament and discussed, debated and voted on. If both houses approve it, it goes to the President for final approval. Some bills require simple majority while others require a special majority. This process shows that bills are not passed in haste.
There are different types of bills, such as government bills and private members' bills. Each one goes through several stages before becoming a law. These stages include introduction, discussion, committee review, law-making thoughtful and inclusive only. After passing all filters, the bill becomes an act applicable across the nation.
Debates are the heart of a parliamentary system. They ensure that different opinions are voiced, laws are questioned and improved, and decisions are democratic. Opposition parties play a big role in these debates. Their criticism often help refine policies and address concern. Debates are recorded in the official parliamentary record known as Hansard. It keeps a public track of every statement and argument. Debates ensure no one party rule dominates the narrative. They give rise to ideas, reforms, and meaningful discussion. They are a true reflection of the diversity of the thought that exists in our nation.
Questionnaire is another vital part of parliamentary functioning. During this time, MPs ask ministers questions about their departments. This keeps the government accountable and transparent. It brings important issues into public awareness. This segment is watched by media and the citizens very closely. It often brings hidden issues into the spotlight. Through questions, real concerns of people reach national forums. Even one well-asked question can spark big policy changes or investigations.
But what happens when the law becomes outdated or unjust? The Parliament has the power to amend or remove such laws. This flexibility ensures that our legal system is modern, just, and relevant. This shows that how democracy is not rigid but responsive to the needs of society. Lawmaking erupts with changing with times and values. The Constitution itself has been amended multiple times to reflect its social and political change. These amendments are passed after the deep discussion and consent. The Parliament is the place where history is corrected and future is shaped.
Let's not forget the budget. Each year, government presented a detailed budget to the Parliament for outlining expenses and plans. It includes spending on healthcare, education, defense, and more. This budget is centered by the finance minister and it's followed by days of discussion. It affects citizens directly or indirectly. The budget also will govern priorities in national development, transparent budget process, ensure that taxpayer money used for public good.
Citizens can also participate in lawmaking. Citizens elect lawmakers through voting. They can also raise issues through petitions, media, and by connecting their MPs. The people voice is a powerful tool in a democracy. Citizens must be alert, aware, and vocal for true change to happen. A democracy is only as strong as the participations of its people.
In conclusion, the legislature is soul of democracy. It safeguards our life, ensures fairness, and keeps the government in check. Understanding how it works makes us responsible citizens. Let us take a pride in a democratical system and contribute to it meaningfully. An informed citizen is the true strength of any nation. The legislature ensures that no one is above the law. It is truly the voice of the people in action. It gives us power to the question, challenge and demand better governance. By respecting and participating in this system, we protect our own future. Let us uphold the dignity of this institution with awareness, action and pride. Thank you. Lights, camera, parliament. Yes, you heard it right. Today, we are not in a movie, but in the house where real action begins, our legislature. So, get ready as we take you on a fun journey through debates, discussions, and lawmaking in our democracy. Good morning, everyone. Today, we take you to the temple of Indian democracy, our parliament. Do you know who makes the laws of our country? Yes, it's our legislature, which includes the Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha, and the President of India. These three together create and pass the laws for the welfare of every citizen. But how does it all happen? Let's take a look inside. Scene 2, inside the Lok Sabha. Speaker of Lok Sabha walks in and taps the gavel loudly.
Order please. The Lok Sabha is now in session. Honorable Prime Minister, you may present the bill.
Prime Minister stands up confidently.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Today I proudly present a bill that will change the future of our children. This bill proposes free and digital education for every child of every village in India. No child should be left behind just because they live in a remote area.
What a brilliant initiative! Imagine children from the farthest part of the country learning online, becoming future doctors, scientists, and even leaders.
We will support the idea, but let's not rush. Who will provide the internet? Who will train the teacher? How will we ensure that the tablets and devices reach every student?
Your concerns are valid. That's why we debate here to find solutions together.
Members discuss briefly.
The debate has concluded. It's time to vote. All those in the favor of the bill, please raise your hand.
Ruling party and some other raise their hands.
The majority supports the bill. It is passed by the Lok Sabha.
Scene 3. The bill in the Rajya Sabha. But wait, a bill doesn't become a law just because the Lok Sabha passes it. Next up, the Rajya Sabha, the upper house which represents the states of India. Rajya Sabha MP steps forward.
We appreciate this bill, but we must ensure proper teacher training and the supply of digital devices. Otherwise, this plan will only remain on papers. With these suggestions, we appreciate this bill.
They vote, majority agrees. Rajya Sabha passes the bill, including their suggestion, but one step still remains. Scene 4. The President's role. Finally, the bill reaches the highest constitutional authority, the President of India. President stands up with dignity holding the bill.
After reviewing this important bill and the suggestions made by both the houses, I give my assent. From today, this bill is officially a law. Our children will now have access to free digital education.
Scene 5. Public reaction. Citizen enters holding newspaper looking excited.
Look, it is in the newspaper. Our parliament passed a law for free digital education. Now even the children of my village can learn online. We are truly progressing.
This shows how our democracy works. Debate, discussion, suggestions are to make laws that benefit the people.
Scene 6. Conclusion. And that, my friends, is how the legislature works with discussions, debates and decisions. In a democracy, no single person makes the laws. Every voice counts. It is our fundamental right to know how laws are made and our responsibility to participate in building a better nation. All characters come together. Know your rights, know your constitution. Thank you.
Poetry is the rhythmic creation of beauty in words. Let's enjoy a Hindi poem by Gauravi and Grisha.
जनता की आशाओं का है ये लोकतंत्र का मंदिर, जब बनते हैं नियम धागे संविधान के सुंदर श्रृंगार।
विधानसभा की कुर्सियों पर बैठे हैं जनसेवक बनकर, जनता के प्रश्न ही गूंजे हर कोने में, हर पल झंकार।
ऐसों से मिलती है सच्चाई, विरोधों में दिखे परिपक्वता, जहाँ नीति और नियम बनते वही रचती है राष्ट्र की महत्ता।
न्याय, विकास और सुरक्षा सब पर होती है चर्चा यहाँ, हर मत से बनती है राह जो ले जाए देश को वहाँ।
जहाँ हर नागरिक हो खुशहाल, जहाँ अधिकार हो सबके समान, ऐसा है हमारा विधानमंडल, जनता का जनता के लिए विधान। धन्यवाद।
Dance is the hidden language of souls. It is the best way to express our feeling. Now we have graceful classical dance performance.
Music triggers our feelings in different ways. Let's enjoy the instrumental performance by Pratyaksha.
Feel the rhythm in your heartbeat, let the melody flow from your soul, and paint the air with the colors of a Hindi song performance by Geet and Gorvi.
a type of a literature based on the imagination, the rhythm, and the feeling and the ideas. Now I invite Geet and Darshita for a beautiful English poem.
In chambers drawn both old and wise, the legislature lifts its eyes. With laws as pen and voice as might, it shapes the world with words of right.
Debate and vote both calm and loud. Each seat a voice, each law a word. From bill to act to careful care, it builds the rules that all must share.
Not ink, not swords, but the voice strong, that meant the right, correct the wrong. Of people will it's the frame, their hopes and dreams dare to name.
With checks and balance in its hand, it helps the constitution stand. A pillar tall in freedom's fight, the lawmaker, the guiding light.
The legislature are architects of society. They draw the line within justice and order are built.
The beauty of democracy lies in a legislature that listens more than it speaks.
The legislature is the inner voice of democracy, where the voice of every citizen takes shape in law. Thank you.
Music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, and flight to the imagination. Today I would like to invite Hasrat and Chehak of my class for a beautiful English song performance.
Put your makeup on, get your nails done, curl your hair, run the intro mile, keep it slim, so we like you, Julia like you. Get your beauty on, don't be shy, we'll take it on. This is what you want to belong, so they like you, Julia like you. Try so hard, you don't have to give it all away. You just have to get up, get up, get up, get up. You don't have to change a single thing. You don't have to try, 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 try. You don't have to try, 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 try. You don't have to try, 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 try. You don't have to try. Get your shopping on at the mall, make some credit cards. You know how to choose, buy it all, so they like you, Julia like you. Wait a second, why should you care what they think of you when you're all alone by yourself? Do you like you? Do you like you? You don't have to try so hard. You don't have to give it all away. You just have to get up, get up, get up, get up. You don't have to change a single thing. You don't have to try so hard. You don't have to bend until you break. You just have to get up, get up, get up, get up. You don't have to change a single thing. You don't have to try, 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 try. You don't have to try, 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 try. You don't have to try, 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 try. You don't have to try. And it's to turn those dreams into reality. From rockets to the moon, every mission is a story of courage. So through this dance, we will learn about India's space journey.
साइकिल पर चली, बैलगाड़ी पर बढ़ी, आसमान में उड़ी सबसे ऊंची।
सारे देश की नजरें हमारे वैज्ञानिकों पर थी। हम चंद्रमा से कुछ ही दूरी पर थे। तभी अचानक कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि हमारा संपर्क हमारे यान से टूट गया। सारे देश में मायूसी छा गई, लेकिन फिर भी हमारे वैज्ञानिकों ने हार नहीं मानी। उन्होंने ठान लिया, जीतेगा इंडिया, जीतेगा।
जलना बुझना, बुझ के चलना, मरना जीना, मर के जीना, मांगने वाली चीज नहीं है मौका उसका जिसने जीना। गिरना उठना, उठ के चलना, चढ़ जा अंबर, सीना सीना, याद रहे ये शर्त सफर की, बीच के देख कभी ना, जीत का जुनून है तो हार सोचना क्यों, जब जिंदगी है एक ही, दो बार सोचना क्यों। मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं, मुझे आसमां बनना है, मैं एक बंदा क्यों रहूं, मुझे आसमां बनना है, मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं, मुझे आसमां बनना है।
सर, हम चंद्रयान 3 के लिए तैयार हैं, तो लॉन्चिंग शुरू किया जाएगा।
4, 3, 2, 1। उड़ ले जरा सा तू, सीने विच नचदी आरज़ू, रुक ना जरा ना तू, राह तुझसे है रूबरू, थोड़ा सा तू रख सबर, थोड़ी कर जल्दबाजियां, मंजिलों पे रख नजर, सफर लंबा है। ओ शेर की जान चल रहा, बनके तू आग जल रहा, सांस में आंधियां लिए खून तेरा उबल रहा, ये ज़माना बेशोर है, तेरे हाथों में जोर है, इम्तिहानों की नोक पे हौसलों से संभल रहा। मुट्ठी में है ये ज़माना तेरा, लिखे तू एक फसाना तेरा, मुट्ठी में है ये ज़माना तेरा, लिखे तू एक फसाना तेरा, रोशनी ढूंढे तेरे घर का पता, चांद होना चाहे सिरहाना तेरा, बस तेरे वास्ते ये दिन निकला है। ओ शेर की जान चल रहा, बनके तू आग जल रहा, सांस में आंधियां लिए खून तेरा उबल रहा, ये ज़माना बेशोर है, तेरे हाथों में जोर है, इम्तिहानों की नोक पे हौसलों से संभल रहा। तू है चैंपियन।
इस तरह इसरो न सिर्फ चंद्रयान बल्कि सूर्ययान का सफल परीक्षण कर चुका है। इसरो से हमें शिक्षा मिलती है कि हमें कभी हार नहीं माननी चाहिए।